Unit 9 Psychology and Sports for class 11th of Physical Education. Topic: the problems of adolescence. Through these points, we are trying to know about the problems of adolescence. The point is beauty conscious. In this age, means in the adolescent age or adolescent period, the child is much conscious regarding their beauties, regarding their outlook personality. Regarding the outlook personality, the child has tried to maintain their beauty anyhow. Due to the attraction towards the opposite sex, everyone, even male or even female also, they are trying to maintain their beauty. That's why they are much beauty conscious. Next one, inadequate rest and sleep. Due to the attraction regarding the male or female, the child has overthink about towards the female or towards the opposite sex also, and there are a lot of more reasons. Due to that, the child has inadequate rest and sleep. Like that, regarding the pressure of the studies, regarding the any overthinking, or due to the stress also, they have to be overthink about the activity or work or in any subject. Due to that, they are feeling inadequate rest and sleep. Next one is a drug abuse. In this age especially, means in the adolescent period, the child has tried to impress the others. Due to that, the child has tried to do some extraordinary things on some different things. So due to that, or to maintain his ego or maintain the dignity also, sometimes the children has promote towards the drugs, and they have to be just fail in their lives, and they have to be lost their health or personality also. And most important things, depression. Due to the overthinking, due to the stress, because in this age especially the children or child has tried to maintain their ego and their dignity also, so they want to maintain this. If anything has happened which is not good for their ego or for their dignity, that thing can be just come in their minds, and due to that they have to be just gone, or due to the over emotions, overthinking, they have to be just gone in the depression also. So these are the some problems of adolescence. These are the most important problems which the child has faced in the adolescent period. Thank you.